Chapter number 3rd, Coordinate Geometry, Elements of Mathematics, Class 9th. We draw 4 lines. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis meet at O. Coordinate of origin are 0, 0. X-axis negative in the LHS of origin and y-axis is negative downwards to the origin. Now we see the plane divide in 4 quadrant. First quadrant where x is positive and y is also positive. Second quadrant x is positive, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant x-axis and y-axis both are negative. In the fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. First we write the x coordinate. X coordinate as we write 2, 4. 2 is x coordinate and y coordinate is 4. We see x coordinate always write first as 4, 4, as 2, 3. Both coordinate are positive. X is 2, y is 3. In the first quadrant x and y are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative. As we write -2 and 3, x is negative and y is positive. Similarly, we write in the third quadrant x is negative as well as y is also negative. We write the quadrant -2, write the numbers -2 and -3. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. We write 2 and -3. This is rectangular axis, coordinate axis, xy plane. These are the name of xy plane या coordinate geometry or x-axis or y-axis. Further, we see origin 0, 0, x, o, x dash. X, o, x dash is called x-axis and y, o, y dash. Y, o, y dash is called y-axis. X-axis and y-axis meet at O. Further, we see two terms abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa, first term, the distance of a point from x-axis. Distance of a point from y-axis. As we write 2, y-axis is this. Distance of a point from y-axis is known as abscissa. So 2 point is abscissa. Second, coordinate. Distance of a point from x-axis. As we write 3, 0. Distance of a point from origin is 3. So 3 is ordinate and 2 is abscissa. Further, we see 4 quadrant already read. Point plotting, we write the point 5, 6. In which quadrant the point 5, 6 lie? 5, 6 both are positive. Further, before we read earlier in first quadrant both are positive. Point 5, 6 lie in the first quadrant. Point 5, 6 lie in the first quadrant. Similarly, -2 and 8 lie in which quadrant? Minus positive. We read in the second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. So point -2 and 8 lie in a second quadrant. Next, third quadrant points are -5 and -6. X is negative, y is negative. Both points are negative, always lie in a third quadrant. Next, fourth quadrant, we write -6 and 8. X is negative, y is positive, which lie in a fourth quadrant. Next, we see exercise 3.1, question number first. Question number first is, state whether the following statement are true or false. The coordinate, we see in book, the coordinate of a point is its x coordinate. The coordinate of a point is x coordinate. We write, if the statement is true, then T. The statement is false, then F. Again read the statement. The coordinate of a point is its x coordinate. False. The coordinate of a point is not x coordinate. The coordinate of a point, the ordinate of a point are the point of a y-axis. So first is a false. Second part, we read, the origin is in the first quadrant. This is also false, because origin is not in first quadrant or second, third or fourth. Origin is lie on x-axis and a y-axis. Origin not lie in any quadrant. Third part, y-axis is the vertical number line. This is true. Y-axis, this is horizontal line, x-axis, and y-axis is vertical line. Or in question, y-axis is the vertical number line. This is true, because this is vertical line or this is horizontal line. X-axis is lie on a horizontal line and y-axis is lie on a vertical line. We see fourth part, every point is located in one of the fourth quadrant. Every point is located in one of the fourth quadrant. This is false, because in first quadrant x is positive or y is positive. 5 or 6 both are positive, which lie only in first quadrant, not in second, third and fourth. So every point is not located in fourth quadrant. Every point, as we say 5 or 6, always lie in first quadrant. Or any point we write -5 to -3 -6 lie in a specific quadrants, as 5, 6 lie in first, -2 and 8 lie in second, -3 -5 in third, or 3 and -5 in a fourth quadrant. So every point is lie in a specific quadrants. Sixth part is the origin is 0 0 lie on x-axis. Origin is 0 0 lie on x-axis. This is true. This statement can be also given as origin is lie on y-axis as 0 0. This is also true. Seventh part, the point AB lie on y-axis if B is equal to 0. The point AB lie on y-axis. The point AB, as we write 5, 6, lie on y-axis. Y-axis if B is equal to 0. Here 6 is equal to 0. Yeah, we write 5 or 0, not 6 is equal to 0. The point AB lie on y-axis if B is equal to 0. Point lie on y-axis A is equal to 0 because on y-axis x is always equals to 0. So points 0, 5 lie on a y-axis. Now we see question number 2. Write the following statement are true or false. Justify your answer. The point 3 0 lie in the first quadrant. This is false because in first quadrant the point 3 3, 5 5, 6 3, we write many points. Students, where the points 3 0 lie? The point 3 0 lie on a x-axis because y is equal to 0. On x-axis y 0 or on y-axis x is equal to 0. Second part, the point 1 minus 1 and minus 1 and 1 lie in the same quadrant. This is false. Minus 1 and 1 and 1 minus 1. Question says these points are lie in same quadrant. Minus 1 and 1 lie in a second y, while 1 and minus 1 lie in a fourth quadrant. So these are both are different. We see question number second, third part. The coordinate of a point whose coordinate is minus 1 by 2 and abscissa. What is abscissa? Distance of a point from a y-axis. So abscissa is 1 or minus 1 by 2 and 1. Write the abscissa in the following. Distance of a point from y-axis. Y-axis से x की दूरी कितनी है? minus 1 by 2. So abscissa is minus 1 by 2. Abscissa is not 1. This is also false. We write fourth part. A point lie on y-axis at a distance of 2 units from x-axis. The coordinate are 2 or 0. The coordinate of a point lie on y-axis. This is our quadrant, lie on y-axis. The point lie on this vertical line at a distance of 2 unit from x-axis. 2 unit from x-axis. 2 unit from x-axis. This is x-axis and 2 unit. This is 1 and this is 2. The coordinate of its are 2 and 0. This lie on x-axis, not on y-axis, because a point lie on y-axis, x is always equals to 0. x हमेशा 0 होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि y-axis पर x 0 होता है और x-axis पर y 0 होता है. So point 0 और 2 lie on y-axis and 2 or 0 lie on x-axis. We see the fifth part. This is -1 and 7. A point lie in second quadrant. We read earlier -1 and 7 or minus x and y. X is negative and y is positive. X is negative in the second and third quadrant, or in the third quadrant x and y both are negative, but here y is positive, so -1 and 7 lie in a second quadrant. We see question number 3rd. Students, question number 3rd. XY plane, naming A, B, C, D, E, F, I. These are the points. First part, abscissa is 2. Abscissa is 2. Abscissa is 2. By the definition of abscissa, we know that distance of a point from y-axis 2, so this and this. Abscissa is 2 against A. The coordinate of abscissa are 2 and 2, and the point is A. Second, the ordinate is 0. Ordinate, distance of a point from we see second part, ordinate is 5 or 0. The distance of a point, by the definition of ordinate, distance of a point from y-axis. As we see, ordinate is 0. Ordinate is always the point of y-axis. Y-axis is 0, always lie on x-axis. We see the point other than B is not lie on x-axis, so the ordinate is 5 or 0. The ordinate of 0 is 5 and 0. Third part, the ordinate is 3. Ordinate is 3. We see where the ordinate is 3 and distance of a point from x-axis 3. Distance of a point from x-axis is 3. We see in which part distance of a point is 3. Distance of a point from which is 3. Students, we see third part, the ordinate is 3. Ordinate. As we see the ordinate is always the point of y and abscissa is always point of x. Ordinate is 3. A point of y, point y 3, and this is 3. Because ordinate is 3, so y's points 3 against C and E. The coordinate of C are -4 and 3, and in E the points of y is 3 against the x is 6, so points are 6 and 3. Fourth part, we see ordinate is -4. We read ordinate is always point on y-axis. We see the point y-axis minus 4, this is D, and the point of D are 2 and minus 4. Next, fifth question, the abscissa is 5. Abscissa is 5. Abscissa is always a point of x-axis का पॉइंट और 5 उसकी डिस्टेंस हो. देखिए कहाँ पर है, तो x-axis का 5 ये रहा, तो 5 और 0, तो so 5 and 0. We write here 5 and 0. Next, sixth part, the abscissa is equal to ordinate, where the both points are same, which is A, whose points are x is also 2 and y is also 2. Because in the question given abscissa is equal to ordinate, yani point of x and y are equal. In the A, x is also 2 and y is also 2. We see the last part, seventh. The coordinate is half of abscissa. The coordinate is half of a abscissa. In which part the coordinate is half of abscissa? Ordinate point lie on y-axis, and y-axis is double of a x-axis. See in which part y-axis is a double of x-axis. We see the points 3, no 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 3. Here these points are double. This is 3 and this is 6. So in the seventh part, the ordinate is half of a abscissa. Thank you. We will study tomorrow.